Hi everyone, good afternoon. Magandang hapon po sa lahat at mabuhay. Your Dolor here, your favorite awesome realtor, and I'm having open house here at 2000 Lacey Cove, Round Rock, Texas. Zoned to prestigious schools like Old Town Elementary, Walsh Middle School, and Round Rock High School. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and listed for $519,000. It is situated on a cul-de-sac and also in a quarter and acre lot. I'll give you a tour. As you can see, warm or cold, I'm having an open house. So if you need someone to sell your home, make sure they're doing their best. If you're gonna sell your home, please contact me at 512-422-6890. Meanwhile, I'm gonna give you a tour. I can't wait to show you this property.